favourites. My favourite is... Hi, my name is Debbie, and my favourite animals are dogs because they are fun and cute. I have 9 pet dogs and 1 pet camel. How many pet dogs does Debbie have? How many pet camels does Debbie have?
Hi, my name is Superboy, and my favorite drink is Coke, Pepsi, and Dr. Pepper because it helps me fly.
Why does Superboy like Coke, Pepsi, and Dr. Pepper?
Hi, my name is Santa, and my favorite sport is yoga because it helps me relax.
Why does Santa like yoga?
My name is Al, the astronaut, and my favorite food is chocolate, candy, and cake because they are yummy.
What are Al's favourite foods?
Hi, my name is Tim. My favorite day is Sunday because I can play video games all day.
Why is Sunday Tim's favourite day?
Hi, my name is Pippa, and my favorite colour is purple. I have a purple room, a purple dress, a purple bag, and a purple cat. I love purple because it's cheerful.
What colour is Pippa's cat? Why does Pippa like purple?